Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Siri's new features on iOS 18.1.1. To use Siri's new features in iOS 18, go ahead to the settings and then scroll a little bit down to Siri. One of the features is the new voice customization. Siri now has more natural voices, and you can choose your preferred voice in settings and Siri in search, right? And you can be able to see talk to Siri, hey Siri, or you can choose right here from the voices, American, Australian, British, and you can see different voices for maybe different people, right? And you'll find options for both accent and gender. Okay, and you have the second feature in which is enhanced task management. Siri can now handle more complex requests like managing tasks within apps or helping you navigate focus modes. For example, you can say, "Hey Siri, schedule a meeting for 2 p.m. tomorrow in calendar," or "Siri, switch to do not disturb until 6 p.m." Right, and you have another feature, right, which is the smart replies. Siri can now respond to with smart suggestions, offering responses, uh, you know, uh, relevant responses in messaging apps, emails, and other contexts. You can try asking Siri reply with "Okay, I will see you soon" in a message thread, right? And basically, Siri's control of device settings is also enhanced. For example, you can now directly say, "Siri, turn on focus mode for work" to activate the setting without navigating through the menus. Other features that which you can find in basically uh, iOS, iPhone 15 and 16, which is the Apple Intelligence, right? Apple Intelligence is a new feature now, only exclusive for iPhone 15 and 16. Series now more advanced, right? And can answer and summarize text and more advanced features. Now Siri can help you with a lot of stuff, right? Siri's interface is now cleaner, showing responses more efficiently on screen. For instance, the visual feedback now adapts to your current app, offering improved user experience. Lastly, Siri now learns from your preferences, becoming more tailored to your unique habits. It can recognize specific requests faster and offer context aware suggestions. So these changes significantly improve Siri's functionality and interactivity. Try experimenting with these new commands and settings to get the most out of your Siri's experience in iOS 18.1.1. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.